I'm trying out my DDC drop-in cartridge fork emulators on my CRF300F. I purchased these from Hyperlight Moto. They were a little over $200. And what they do is they drop into the fork legs and help them act like cartridge forks. It's not nearly as good as a cartridge fork, especially since these are only 41mm forks, but there is a slight improvement. I've noticed that it handles the square-edged bumps better, and it handles the braking bumps better. So I'm going to take it for a little ride. I'm not sure if you'll be able to tell, but here we go. Yeah, it handled that log hit pretty well. It felt much better than it did last week. All right, so not a huge improvement, but I did notice it handles the faster hits better, especially the square edge stuff, like hitting a log or some roots. In fact, I'm gonna have to start retraining myself because I've gotten so used to slowing down and avoiding any type of bumps because it was just really brutal. Now I'm hitting a few more and it's not bad. So I would recommend the DDC drop-in cartridge emulators. Like I said, don't think they're gonna transform the bike and you're gonna be able to keep up with your buddies on KTM's, but it makes it a little more pleasurable to ride in the rooty stuff. A little less jarring on your wrists. So I like them so far. Now I just need to figure out a solution for the rear shock. I don't necessarily need stiffer springs because I don't weigh a lot, but there's very little rebound dampening, so the back end can get squirrely real quick. All right, thanks for watching.